and welcome back. So I'm just gonna get right into it. I'm taking these braids out, wig sitting behind me, washed and looking good, ready for next use. This hair, not so much. Not ready. I'm really excited about this because I cannot wait to wash my hair. Like, I've been already dealing with bad dandruff, so I need to take all this product out of my hair. This super cholesterol is my go-to. I usually just have it on for 30 minutes to an hour, put it on and go about my business, and then take it off when I wash. Like I said, I've been dealing with a lot of dandruff lately, so I am going in with a medicated shampoo, the T-Sol. It's been doing wonders in my hair. I already applied it here. I only put it on my scalp. Here I'm going back in with that medicated shampoo, only on the root of my head. And now I'm using just a regular shampoo. Right now I'm using Head and Shoulders for the rest of my hair, shaft all the way down. Since I do have a lot of buildup and product in my hair, I am going back in for a third shampooing, only in the scalp. This time I did not go to the bottom of my hair. And finally, I'm going to go in with my favorite Head and Shoulders, the almond conditioner. Yeah, I have no more. As you can see, this is my favorite, but I do make it work with what I have. You know, just add a little bit of water, razzle-dazzle. Now I'm gonna brush that product in. And then comb the buildup out. I'm gonna be using the comb to get, more of my roots and more defined. At this point, I noticed I messed up. There was still product buildup from when I detangled my hair earlier, so I had to clean it off and then go back to combing it out. Now I'm just gonna dry it. I gotta hurry up because baby girl's not having it. She woke up while I was in the shower. Try to get her comfortable, but she just wants me to carry her. This is not my regular wash routine. This is something I came up with recently because, like I said, I've been having a lot of dandruff lately. I'm trying to figure out what's going on with my scalp. So I'm staying away from smell good products and stuff like that. So this is pretty much going to be a quick dry tutorial since baby girl's not gonna let me do what I usually do. Stay tuned. usually dry my hair with a cold setting, but since my baby needed me, I did go ahead and just put it on high heat to get it done. So y'all, baby girl is not having it no more. To top it off, I'm gonna put this Bio Silk on just a little bit because, like I said, I don't know what's making my scalp go crazy. Literally just a little bit. I'm coming, mommy.